percentage of A dissociated equal to how much you have to find out. So this problem says 1 mole is taken, means out of 1 mole 0.4 mole reacted. Next, for 100 mole how much reacted, this you have to find out. Therefore percentage of A reacted equal to 100 into 0.4 by 1. You get 40%. It's answer given 40%. Answer is 40%. Second option is 2. The same type, we'll repeat one more question. There is a with respect to SO2 and O2. Question number 16. 16. SO2, O2, SO3. SO2 and O2, SO3. 2 mole. Yes, first I written theoretical equation, and even in contact process you written this key reaction. There is a 2SO2 plus O2 reverse water 2SO3. So this is a theoretical equation, but in this question they give SO2, O2, SO3 compounds or molecules. Then again last they are asking total number of moles of SO2, O2, SO3. Total number of moles of SO2, O2, SO3 in the vessel now. Means at equilibrium, how many moles left they are asking. Again, to calculate number of moles at equilibrium, method same, but according to question, first line experimental value, but don't write 2, 1, 2, no. Read the question and write the values. 5 moles of SO2, I am not writing 2, be careful, not writing 2, I am writing 5 more, means first line experimental values. 5 moles of SO2 taken and 5 moles of O2 is also taken. Whether SO3 taken in the vessel? No, because these are reactants are taken in the vessel and SO3 not taken, hence you write 0 mole is taken. 0 mole. Next, moles dissociated are found. Moles dissociated found. But here not given that type, but in terms of percentage they give 60% of SO2 used up. %60 of SO2 used up, but used up means reacted, but reacted line second, and number of moles present at equilibrium last. Therefore, one hint is given, and that hint is 60% of SO2. But in vessel we added 5 mole, but they gave out of 160 mole. Again, 100 in terms of 100 mole, 60 dissociated, but you taken 5 mole. 5 mole, how many dissociated? Out of 5 mole, how many reacted? Out of 100 mole, 60 mole of SO2 reacted, and out of 5 mole, how many reacted? 5 into 60 by 100. Yes, 60 into 5. 300 by 100. 300 by 100. 60 into 5. 300 by 100. 300 by 100 equal to 3. 3. Means out of 5 mole, 3 mole reacted. Next, compare the line. This is the third time I am repeating. Yes, out of compare the table. Yes, second line is completed by referring theoretical equation. Okay. Theoretical equation says 2 mole and 1 mole combined to give 2 mole. When 2 mole of SO2 disappear, same mole of SO3 appear, but half of the SO2 mole, half of SO2 is O2. number of moles of O2 equal to half of the SO2 mole. Therefore, 3 mole out of 2, 3 mole reacted. Yes, 2, 1, 3. For 2 mole it is 3, for 1 mole it is how much? This type you think and write. 2 mole it is 3, for 1 mole how much? 1 is half of 2, therefore 1.5 is half of 3. Or you can write 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Last, 2, 1 gives 2, and for 2 I have done here 3, therefore 3. 2 gives 2, 3 gives 3. Like this, you have to complete the second line. And last line, at equilibrium, reactant side minus product side plus. Okay, 5 minus 3, 2, 5 minus 1.5, 3.5. 5 minus 1.5 equal to 3.5, and product side added 3 plus 0 equal to 3. But question is, you have to find out total number of moles of all these at equilibrium. Total moles equal to number of moles of SO2 left to O2 3.5 and SO3 3. Answer 8.5. 8.5. Answer is 3. Now, main purpose is how to solve the questions using table I am explaining. Maybe previous year question or any new type of questions later. Then next question, question number 17. Method same you have to follow, and they give in terms of mole, in place of mole, they give a mass 56 gram nitrogen, 8 gram hydrogen, and one hint they gave last number of moles of N2 S2, means they are asking moles but given mass, and convert mass into mole. I don't know how to convert mass into mole. Mass by molecular mass equal to mole. Mass by molecular mass equal to mole. And by this method I told how to find number of mole into the equilibrium state, present equilibrium state. Then how to determine Kc? Right. 30 and 31. Question number 30 and 31. So in question number 30, yes, I will read the question. For the gaseous system A plus 2B reversible to C, the equilibrium concentrations are, they already gave equilibrium concentrations. A, B, C values are given. Equilibrium concentration K for the reaction is, means you have to find out only K. So formula A plus 2B reversible to C. A plus 2B reversible to C. And find Kc equal to C by A into B square. And for question number 30, don't draw the table. Table not necessary, because they give equilibrium concentration, because this is a formula for equilibrium concentrations. Therefore, concentration of C, A, B, all the three values are given. Substitute, simplify, we get answer Kc. This I give hint how to solve. Then one more, question number 31. That is also important, and there you have to draw the table. Question number 31. So in this question 31, again PCL 5. If question is given PCL 5, write immediately the equation. PCL 5 reversible to PCL 3 plus CL2. This is equation. Question number 2 moles of PCL 5 were heated. 2 moles. I told the first line practical value. 2 moles taken, but theoretically 1 mole. But this is theoretical. And to complete this second line, I am writing this one. And equilibrium formula. Yes, practical value 2 moles of PCL 5 taken. Heated and closed vessel of 2 liter capacity. Means in this question they give volume of the vessel. Then 2 mole gives initially 0, 0. Because they are not given PCL 3, CL2 also taken, not given. But I will give one more question in which all the values are given in first line only. Then at equilibrium 40% PCL 5, 40% PCL 5 dissociated into PCL CL2. The value of fuel constant K for the reaction is. Yes. So in this question, they give 2 mole is taken in the vessel and heated at constant temperature, equilibrium is attained, 40% PCL 5 dissociated. But this dissociation value you write at last or second? Answer second, because second one is reacted or formed. Last one left at equilibrium. Therefore, they give this much of PCL 5 dissociated and 40% dissociated, meaning out of 100, 40. Out of 2, how much? 100, 40, 2, how much? 2 into 40, 80, 80 by 100. 80 by 100, how much? 8 by 10. There is 0.8. 40% dissociated, meaning here out of 2 more 0.8 dissociated over the remaining part. Yes, completed. Here don't see a remaining part. Now we'll refer this one directly. 1 more gives 1 more, 1 more. 1 more gives 1 more. Therefore, 0.8 gives 0.8, 0.8. 0.8, 0.8. And what's at equilibrium? 2 minus 0.8. 2 minus 0.8, 1.2. 0.8 plus 0, 0.8. 0.8 plus 0, 0.8. Then find out Kc by using the formula. But one more, here you write Kc formula. Product PCl3, Cl2, PCl5. I am using square bracket, and you know square bracket equal to N by V. And in this problem they give volume 2 liter. Therefore, Kc equal to PCl3 0.8 by volume of the vessel given in the question, and that value 2 liters. 2 liters into chlorine 0.8 by 2 divided by PCl5 1.2 by 2. Here in this question, why you have to divide by 2? Because concentration formula N by V, and here we calculated only N value, and by volume 2. Next. 0.4 by 0.6. 4 4s are 16, means 1.6 by 0.6. So we get answer Kc. So value you get 0.265. 0.265. Over. So in this question I told how to calculate Kc using table and concentration value. If concentration directly given, table not necessary. So in all these questions I cover how to solve the questions and some problems. And one more question very important. here x value is given. This is x. This value is given in this problem whatever I solved. But in other question, if you were to find out x and how much left at equilibrium. But the x, calculation of x important. And in such case, equilibrium constant k value is given. Okay. There is a question in practice paper. So one student asked a question, their doubt, question number 26, and already I solved now only question number 31, and same method you have to follow to answer question number 26. Because they give here HI equation. 2HI gives S2 plus I2 equation, and there you have to find out Kc, equilibrium constant Kc. Method same. Okay. Next, in the additional paper there is a question that is also important, and using that I can explain how to find out x value. It is somewhat different compared to previous problems. Question number 66, practice paper. From practice paper, one question important. Question number 66. And again, see the question given. At a certain temperature, equilibrium constant Kc is, means equilibrium constant K is given in the question. In previous problems, we calculated Kc, Kp, etc. But in this question, K is given. So K is given as 16 for the reaction. SO2 plus NO2. SO2 plus NO2 reversible to SO3 plus NO. SO3 plus NO. Yes, here they give reactant AB, product CD. Reactant AB, product CD given. Okay. Done. So last they are asking here, what is the concentration of equilibrium concentration of NO? Calculate equilibrium concentration of NO. And you know concentration formula N by V. N equal to mole. Therefore find out mole first. Then N by V. But here how much reacted, how much present in equilibrium, hint not given here. And for that we can consider X. And find out X value, and finally we get the concentration of NO. And here in this question Kc is given. Kc value 16. Kc value 16. Okay. Now start with again what same method. As I told, if moles not mentioned in the question, experimental values not given, then write from what given equation 1 mole of SO2 at a certain temperature, equilibrium constant is given. If you take 1 mole each of all the 4 gases, yes, they give 1 mole each of all the 4 gases. But here, theoretical also same. Theoretically 1 mole and practically also 1 mole. But they give in the vessel what all the four compounds. In this problem, only that reactants are not taken, but they give SO2, NO2, SO3, NO, all 1 mole is taken. Therefore, write 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole. Each 1 mole is taken in the vessel. Next, second, we don't know how much reacted. Means let out of 1 mole, X mole react. 1 mole, X mole react. Then 1x, 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 1x. If it is 0.1, 0.1x, 0.3, 0.3x. But here all are 1, 1, 1, therefore x, x, x. And standard hint, reactant side minus product side plus. Therefore, how many moles at equilibrium? 1 minus x moles. 1 minus x moles. And product mole, whether you have to subtract or add. So here molecules added 1 plus x, 1 plus x. 90% work over. This is important. Calculation of this one number of moles at equilibrium calculated. Next, write Kc, because they give Kc value, therefore Kc formula. Then Kc formula, Kc equal to product SO3 into NO by SO2 into NO2. Then 1 minus x mole, but volume of the vessel, whether given in the vessel, given in question, volume of the vessel, here they are not mentioned 5 liter, 10 liter, but they give 1 liter container. Therefore, N by V, consideration means N by V, V value 1 is given. Therefore, consider 1 minus 1, 1 minus x by 1, 1 minus x by 1, like this. Therefore, SO3 value 1 plus x, NO value 1 plus x, SO2 1 minus x, NO2 1 minus x. Then Kc, okay, substitute Kc value 16, 1 plus x, 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x square. Next important line, taking square root. Mathematical part, remember this step. If you want to find x value, and here you have to take square root, because k value given, always k value is given, yes, so that we can get what square root of that given value. That type of value is given in question paper. Then when you take square root on both sides, therefore we get 4 equal to square root of 16. Answer 4 equal to square root of 1 plus x or square root of this one total. So answer is 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 4 equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Therefore, one minus x equal to, or 1 plus x, 1 plus x equal to 4 into 1 minus x. Then x minus 4x equal to minus 4x take this side, then 1 this side, 4 into 1 4, 1 this side, 5x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 5, 0.6. Yes, I calculated x value. Okay, x value. And what is x? Number of moles of NO formed or SO3 formed or NO reacted or SO2 reacted. That is x. But in the question they asked, yes, concentration of NO equal to at equilibrium. See, at equilibrium, concentration of NO equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus 0.6, 1.6. Final answer 1.6. Okay, in options, first option 0.8, second option 0.6, third option 0.4, fourth option 1. But there is some correction even in your regular that notes. Also you can correct. Second option, because they are asking question, concentration of NO at equilibrium, answer 1.6. If you find out x value, 0.6. But in option second is actually x value. But according to question, answer 1.6 because they are asking concentration of NO. So you correct it. Question number 66, second option, answer 1.6. So in equilibrium topic, part 1, chemical equilibrium. So, but all the different types, methods I explained, how to solve the questions, how to solve the problems, how to find Kp, Kc values, how to find concentration values, concentration at equilibrium state, and important, how to find number of moles at equilibrium. That also I explained. Then in the next video, I will explain regarding ionic equilibrium. That is part 2, second part of the equilibrium topic. That is called ionic equilibrium. So that we will continue in the next video.